Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming connectivity and FaceTime activation because the call depends on your Apple ID and data. Once done, open the FaceTime app and tap the plus icon to create a new call. Enter a contact name, phone number, or email. FaceTime shows matching Apple ID. Make sure you choose the correct address so audio routes over FaceTime instead of a regular phone call. This upfront accuracy prevents confusion and ensures the call goes via Apple's servers for better audio quality. After finding the contact, you tap their name to reveal available communication methods. FaceTime displays video and audio options. Choose FaceTime audio by tapping the audio icon so the call uses internet audio rather than cellular voice. If the contact has multiple numbers or emails, make sure you pick the one linked to FaceTime. This ensures the call connects immediately. Once you tap audio, iOS begins the handshake with Apple's servers. You'll hear ringing while it negotiates the best network path for clear sound. While connected, you control audio, mute, switch to speaker, or convert to video with the buttons on screen. Use Add Call to merge calls if needed. If the call fails to connect, first verify Wi-Fi or cellular data and that both parties are signed into FaceTime. Network restrictions can block FaceTime. If problems persist, toggle FaceTime off then on in settings, or reboot the iPhone to refresh network and Apple ID sessions. This resolves most handshake or connectivity issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.